Okay, so this is my third example para do sa topic nating applications of maxima and minima. And it says, a building with a rectangular base is to be constructed on a lot in the form of a right triangle with legs 18 meters and 24 meters. If the building has one side along the hypotenuse of the triangle, find the dimensions of the base of the building for maximum floor area. So, ang ima-maximize natin ay yung floor area of the building na itatayo dun sa ating lot na ang shape ay right triangle. Take note, yung isang side ng ating building is along with the hypotenuse of the triangle. Okay? So, mag-draw muna tayo ng figure para madali nating ma-solve yung ating problem. So, we have here a right triangle. Okay? And then, yung ating tatayong building, isang side along with the hypotenuse. So, we have here okay. So, ito yung ating building. Ito yung kagandahan natin. Yan. Okay. So, ito ay 24 meters. Ito ay 18 meters. Okay. And then, sabihin natin ito yung y, ito yung x, y din to, x din to. Okay. Then, solve natin yung hypotenuse. Ano? Gagamit natin ito mamaya siguro. Paano masosolve yun? Hindi ko na ipakita yung solution. Pythagorean theorem. We have the square root of the sum of the squares of the legs. 18 squared plus 24 squared. Square root of this. So, we have 30. Okay? So, ito yung 30 meters. Okay? Now, sabihin natin this is theta and this is alpha. Sorry. Alpha. Okay. So, if this is theta, this is also theta. And this is right triangle din dito, right triangle dito. So, if this is theta, this is also alpha. Kasi ang alpha is, sorry, this is 90 minus theta, that is equal to alpha. So, therefore, this is also theta. Okay? And this one, this is also theta. Sorry, alpha. Okay? Tama ba? This is theta, this is alpha. Therefore, this is also alpha because alpha is 90 minus theta. Okay? Correct. Now, we're going to solve, we're going to maximize the area. Ang solution natin is to maximize the area. What should be the length and width of the rectangular base of our building? To solve for that, kailangan natin i-maximize the area. So, that is x times y based from our rectangle here, yung rectangular base. I-maximize natin yung area. Kailangan i-replace natin si y ng variable x para dali natin makuha yung derivative. So, paano natin gagawin yon? Alam natin yung concept ng similar triangles. The ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Okay? So, triangles are similar if they are alike in shapes pero different in size. At the same time, yung mga interior angles niya equal. Okay? Kunin natin to. Let's say, kunin natin mga triangles, yung pinakamalaki sa lahat. Yung kasunod, yung pinakamaliit. Sino-sino ba yung tinutukoy ko? Yung pinakamalaki, yung lot mismo. Ang dimension niya ay 30, 24, tsaka 18. Ito yung tinutukoy ko. Ito yung triangle 2. Ito yung triangle 3 natin. Ito. So, itong triangle 2 natin, ito lang alam natin, y. Ito yung triangle 3, ito by the way, this is theta, alpha, This is also theta. This is alpha. And ito yung theta. Ito yung x. Dito yung x natin. Katapat ni alpha. So, ito ang ating theta. Ito ang ating alpha. And then, hindi natin to alam. So, sabihin natin this is A. Therefore, itong hypotenuse niya will be square root of x squared plus a squared. Okay? And kung ito yon, square root of x squared plus a squared, sa makatwid, hanggang dito lang siya. So, ito, kaputol, is 24 minus this. 24 minus square root of x squared plus a squared. Okay, so base dun sa concept ng similar triangles, masosolve natin si y. Ano? By the way, nalimutan ko. Ito pala yun. This is 24 minus to. So this is 24 minus square root of x squared plus a squared. Okay. Now, solve natin si y. So, y is to, hypotenuse is to base, hypotenuse is to base kasi similar triangle sila. Solving y. So, we have y is equal to, y is to 24 minus square root of x squared plus a squared is equal to hypotenuse is to base also, 30 over 24. Therefore, y is equal to 30 over 24 is 5 over 4. Then I'm going to cross multiply this to the other side. We have 24 minus square root of x squared plus a squared. So, hindi pa natin solve si y kasi may a pa. So, kailangan natin ma-solve si a. Solving a. Solving a. Okay. So, we have dito naman. Ito yun. Ito pala yung a natin. Sorry. Paano gagawin natin? A is to x. Base is to height. So, base is to height is equal to base is to height also, 24 over 18. Therefore, a is equal to, cross multiply, and 24 over 18 is 4/3. So, 4/3 of x. Sa-substitute nga natin to dito para ma-solve si y. Continuation, we have y. Cross multiply ko na yan. 5 over 4 times 24 is 30 minus square root of x squared plus a is 4/3 of x. So 4x over 3 squared. Y is equal to 30, times 5 over 4 pa. Minus 5 over 4 square root of x squared plus 4/3 of x squared. So we have minus 5 over 4 x squared plus 16x squared over 9. 9 times x squared is 9x squared plus 16x squared is 25x squared. Y equals to 30 minus 5 over 4 times 25x squared over 9x, 9. Okay. Next is y is equal to 30 minus 5 over 4. Square root nan, that is 5x over 3. Therefore, y equal to 30 minus 25x over 12. Therefore, y equals to, cross multiply, that is 30 times 12 is 300, and 360 minus 25x over 12. So, ito yung ating y. Yan isa-substitute natin dun sa ating equation. Okay? The next is we're going to substitute y to this equation or formula. Then, saka pa natin kukunin yung derivative. Okay? Okay, so we have A is equal to X. Y is this one, 360 minus 25 X over 12. Then we have A is equals to 360 x minus 25 x squared over 12. Then kunin yung derivative, we have dA over dx equal to 1 over 12, yung constant, nilabas ko. That is 360. Derivative nun, derivative nito is negative 50x. Okay? Equate to 0. So, cancel na yung 1 over 12. Okay? Kasi magiging 0 din yun, 12 times 0. So, 360 minus 50x transpose negative 50x. We have 50x equal to 360 divided both by x, 50. We have x is equal to 360 divided by 50. 60 divided by 50, we have 36 over 5 or 7.2 meters. Okay? So, yun yung ating width. Okay? Now, the next is solving y. Solving the length. Okay? Therefore, yung y natin is equal to 360 minus 25x over 12. Y equal to 360 minus 25 times 7.2 over 12. Y is equals to what? Gamit natin to. 360 minus 25 times 7.2 divided by 12 is 15. So therefore, y is equal to 15 meters. Okay? So ang dimension natin is 15 meters by 7.2 meters. Ito ang ating answer. Yan yung dimension ng itatayo nating rectangular building dun sa lot na triangle ng shape. So, pag ganito siya. Yun yung pinaka-maximum area na kaya nating maximum dimensions na mailalagay natin dun sa lot na ang legs ay 18 and 24 na kung saan ang ating area ay maximum. Ito ay 7.2, ito ay 15 meters. Okay? So, yan yung maximum area with the dimensions of 7.2 meters ang width and 15 meters ang ating length. Okay? So, thank you.